In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Control X and Control C don't work in Windows 10. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, type Device Manager, open Device Manager. Now expand keyboards, right click on your keyboard. Now right click here, then click on Properties, select Driver and click on Update Driver. Select first option, Search Automatically. If this method is not work, so click on Search for Update Driver on Windows Update. If there is available any Windows update, so update here and close it. Still you are facing error and this method is not work, so try this last one. Click on Uninstall Device, then click on Uninstall. It will ask to restart your PC, so click on Yes. Hopefully after restart, this issue and problem will be resolved. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.